Yes. Welcome back. Happy first day of the month, pinch punch and all that. But I'm not doing any jokes today. I just thought I'd give you a summary of some of the hype kits I think are coming out this month, in the month of April. Some have already dropped today, but some are still sitting today. So without further ado, let's just get straight into this. And let's start off with what I believe are going to be the hype kits of the month. So first up has to be the Bape and Adidas collab, which is called the Bape Campus 80s 30th anniversary in navy and white. These went for £130 and they released today, the 1st of April. They dropped this morning. Let me check if they're still available. Hold on. They're sold out. They're completely gone. But I'm sure that there's other places you can get them if you're still looking for them today. But this is Bape. So what Bape have done is put their little twist on the classic Adidas silhouette Campus 80s. They've got the Bape Star signage and the Adidas free stripe on both sides of the kick. On the heel patch in metallic gold, you've got the Bape branding. You've also got some lace jewelry which has got Bape written on it as well. Now these come in a special edition box to celebrate the 30th anniversary of Bape. So like I said, if you haven't picked these up already, they're definitely ones to try and cop, even though by the looks of it on Confirmed, they're sold out already. So the next up has to be, I don't think it's one for sneakerheads. I think it's just one of those collabs which introduces high fashion brands to the sneaker industry. And I'm talking about the Adidas and Gucci collab. Now this is their second wave. And what they've done, they've allowed Gucci to put their little spin or bubblegum remix on the classic ZX 8000s. These went for pre-order today, delivering in April sometime. Now, then I say these ain't for really sneakerheads because the pricing is about £750. They come in 4 different colorways. You've got the Gucci branding all through the upper layers, and you've got what they call Gucci suede on the overlays on top of this silhouette as well. It's the classic torsion silhouette, and like I said, they're using the Gucci materials to just put a room on top of this classic silhouette. The next one being released again in the Adidas and Gucci second wave collab is a classic spin on the Gazelles. Now, again, these are, I believe, women exclusives. They're going for £550, which makes it a bit of a, if you're a sneakerhead, because you're really not looking to spend more than £200 on retail kicks. So this is why I say I believe it's more of the designer brand people coming down into the Adidas realm rather than Adidas going into the Gucci realm, if you know what I mean. But like I said, obviously it's going to have the Gucci materials on it, the suede, etc., which is going to be a bit more plush than the Adidas suede. And they've got Gucci branding all over them again. So if this is something you're into, again, I think these are being pre-ordered to be released in April and they're women exclusive. So yeah, go and check them out. I think they're cool, but I'm not paying £550. Don't care. Releasing on the 8th of April will be the Jordan 1 High OG Skyline. These will be going for £170. And they describe them as the Dawn Till Dusk silhouette. Now, I don't know what that means, but I'm going to read what it says as a description of this because it's a bit of a thingy. But it basically says it's going to be released in a leather upper with premium denim overlays, dyed in a light to dark gradient, shifting seamlessly between alien glow to twilight. Oh, I see now why it says Dawn Till Dusk. Yeah, I get it now. Yeah, it's cool. These look cool. They're going to have air cushioning in the sole, so they should be comfortable. And yeah, I definitely think this is one. A lot of Jordans sit, but I think this one will go. I think it's just got a little twist with it, and it will make it just stand out from the rest. Then releasing on the 15th of April, we got the Air Max 1 Safari Beige. This is going for about £155. And it's a classic Air Max 1 silhouette. It's got the Safari branding, which has got the dimpled overlays around the toe box and all that stuff to give it that Safari look. It's just one tone beige, just going all the way through it. I think it's got the Nike brand on the heel and on the tongue in black. And, it's Air Max 1s. They're doing their bits and they continue to do their bits like they did last year. So I definitely think if you're into this kind of colour, it would be one to have. I think it's one that you could just rock easily as well. It'll go with anything. So yeah, that's definitely one for me where I think it's not really going to sit. If it sits, it's going to be in small sizes as they usually do. But it's definitely going to go in same height size. Still sticking with the 15th of April as a release date, we've got the Jordan 1 High OG Celtic. Now, I've seen pricing, it says £120. Now, we know Jordan 1's highs are not going for £120. So I don't know how much pricing is going to be. I reckon it's going to be £170 as they usually are now. But we got the classic Celtic green and white colours. I don't know why they did these colours, because Jordan never played for Celtic and he had issues with Celtic, you know, Larry Bird and all that stuff. But I think these released, or the colourway was back in 2013. So it's just a re-release of those. Maybe it's just celebrating St. Patrick's Day. I could be all wrong and I'm getting it all wrong. But that's where vibe is on those ones. I think these are clean colour. I think this is definitely one I would definitely try and cop. Then release it on the 26th of April. I think this is going to be probably one of the shoe of the years. And we're talking about the Travis Scott and Nike Jordan 1 Low Olives. Now, I'm hearing rumours this is going to be a woman's exclusive. If it is, it's a damn shame. Not that women shouldn't have their own exclusives, but this is a kick what everyone would want. They would make tons of money on this. And it's supposed to be the last collab between Travis Scott and Jordan. So if it is, just let everyone have them, man. Put them out. Do what you've done on the Air Max Day and just release the Big Bubble. Like, the Big Bubble's sitting there now. You can still pick them up. So I think it's one of those kicks. Travis, if you're listening, Jordan, if you're listening, let the people have what they want, man. Make your money. You know what I mean? Let everyone have it. It doesn't have to be that exclusive, especially if it's the last kick. Do you know what I mean? You're just going to hype the resale market for no good reason when everyone can have these. So I'm saying, if it is a woman's exclusive, run the sizes to 17 so everyone can get them. You can still call it woman's exclusive. Don't understand it, but just run the sizes, run enough pairs for everyone, and let everyone enjoy a Travis Scott in their life without paying $500 or more. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so releasing on the 28th of April, we have Off-White and Air Force One mid called the Green Pines. Now, you may recall that there was two other colorways released last year, I believe, which was the white and black ones. Virgil Abloh, rest in peace. This is part of his legacy. These are I call them a Marmite kick, because you either love them or you hate them. And if you love them, they're just that kind of kick what just stands out from all the rest. These are going for about £170. And they've got a fly in the upper, and you know, it's just an Air Force One mid. So if you like these, hopefully they don't crease and die like all the others. I don't know. I've never had a pair of Off-White Air Force One. So maybe they've just got a little bit of remix to it, makes it last a little longer, hopefully. And then last one, not least, which I think is, it's just a touch to history. And we talk about the Jordan 3 Wizards. Now, these are to celebrate the last time, well, basically the last time Jordan played basketball, when he retired. If you don't know, obviously he was playing for the Wizards when he did retire from basketball, leaving Chicago to go to them. I think he only owns the Wizards, or he's got some kind of shares in the Wizards as an owner. But these are probably the same as the Lucky Greens. They're going for £170. If you like this colorway, then definitely get them. Like I said, Jordan 3s will be the Jordans of this year. There's no doubt about that, just because of the anniversary. And like I said, these ones, they've got a special link to the last time he played. So yeah, but that's it, man. I hope you enjoyed this. If I've got anything wrong with the pricing, let me know. Obviously you will in the comments. Let me know what you're going to cop. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, definitely hit the notification bell so you know I've uploaded videos like this and other videos in relation to trainers. I'm actually going to be loading up a video, but it's going to be like a tech video, because I'm trying to work out whether or not I need to change my camera, and I've got a camera in mind. I'm going to do kind of unboxing. Let me know what you think. But yeah, definitely like, subscribe, hit notification bell, and I'll see you again in a little while. Peace.